the great and powerful. Who are you?
I am Dorothy, the small and meek. We've come to ask you.
Silence!
Oh,
Do not arouse the wrath of the great and powerful Oz.
I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world!
Bonjour, mon ami. Comment allez-vous? Je m'appelle Will. Then today, we have another video. Now, first of all, if you're new to the channel, my name is Will, and I pride myself on helping you become the very best version of yourself that you can be.
Perfect.
And if that message resonates well with you, go ahead and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with somebody you may think needs it most. Now, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be talking about pride and the dangers of pride, how to be more humble, how to be more meek, and just how to improve in that area through my personal experiences, through stuff I've read, throughout the internet or what I've heard from other people. Now, I forgot to do this in yesterday's video, but I'm not gonna forget today. So we got two words. The word of the day is advocate, and it means to urge or to plead for. And then we got aloof, and this word means apart or reserved. So let's see how we can use both of those words in this video today. Okay, I'm gonna be real. Now here we go. I am an advocate for people reaping what they sow. What I mean by that is what you do to other people, I support, hey, that happening to you. Okay, let me give you an example since we talked about pride today. Now, there was a girl, I was in the gym, and I'm going up the stairs, she going up the stairs too. She little something, maybe 5'2", and she got this big old box in her hand, right? And so she carried it up the stairs, and I see her, and being the person I am, the gentleman I am, I offer some help. I'm like, hey, you need some help carrying that box? You want me to take that for you? And she kind of took that like an insult. She said, no. And I'm thinking what you mean no? She was obviously struggling with this box, and I'm thinking if somebody offered to help me with something, I would say yes. And so I don't know if it was just an independent thing, but the way she said no and how disgusted she looked, I was just like, wow. Excuse me. I was like, okay, fine, whatever. And so as she's coming back with the box and she's going down the steps, and I'm doing my workout now, and I see her, and she trips and she falls. And I'm looking. I didn't say anything. I'm looking at her, and she's looking at me like we're making eye contact. She picks herself up, picks the box up, and she proceeds down the stairs. Now, I did feel bad, but she carried the box and she went on her way. But I tell that story because it's a perfect example of the dangers of being prideful, right? And so even in my life, that's happened to me before too. Not that specific example, but I take criticism, I don't take it well. And what I mean by that, I feel like a lot of times I have a good idea, and I feel like it's the only good idea. I might hear your idea, but it's okay, I hear you, but I'm not gonna do it because I know my idea is better. And that's prideful, and I'm trying to get better at that, receiving, that, hey, Trey, other people got good ideas that are just or even better than yours. And so this is something that I'm working on. Why can this be a setback for me? Because I could be missing out on, one, opportunities for other people, two, accomplishing something maybe easier or not having to learn the same hardships that somebody else has gone through, and three, it puts me in a place to be more receptive, be more, what's the word I'm looking for? Be more understanding toward other people, and just realize that, hey, sometimes you gotta put other people before you. So that's something that you can learn by not being prideful, right? Pride is kind of selfish, right? it's like me. And like I heard when you got your hand closed, it's harder to receive stuff. And so I just want y'all to, you know, think about that as you going, you know, about your way, you know. Sometimes being, here we go, selfless can be kind of aloof, right? But, you know, it's important, I think, for us to remember that it's not always about us, you know, and that I know it's easier said than done, but, and again, I'm working on this too. I'm trying to get better at it because, you know, God got a way of humbling us, man. God done humbled me before plenty of times. I feel like a lot of times when I start feeling myself and like smelling myself, you know, God do something to like humble me real quick. Like, you know, I'll start breaking out, or, you know, something will happen on my face, and it's just like, oh my gosh, like I was just up here and now like look at me. Like don't look at me. Do not look at me. Stop. And it's just like God got a way of humbling us. So I'd rather humble myself than let God humble me, because he done humbled me before, and I'm telling you, you gonna learn something through that humbling period. So keep that in mind today. Hopefully, you know, this video has helped you in some way, shape, or form. Again, if you're new to the channel, my name is Troy Will, and I pride myself on helping you become the best version of yourself that you can be. That's the end of the video. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and you share. And I will see you tomorrow again, same bat time, same bat channel. You dig what I'm saying? But without further ado,
this is your captain speaking.
I will see you tomorrow.